for successful showcase. So, I only have two questions. When you first came to be, it was all about second chances. Now na you're about taking first steps or unang hakbang, what are the difficulties and challenges na napagdaanan mo before taking this first step?
Sobrang dami. Like, before, nagdaan talaga kami sa mga auditions. Maraming auditions, maraming rejections, and disappointments sa sarili. Pero, after all, parang babalik at babalik ka pa rin talaga sa pinanggalingan mo para mas malaman mo kung bakit ka pa rin sumusubok dun sa dream mo. Kailangan mo pa rin bumalik doon sa mga pinaghirapan mo before para magkaroon ka ng lakas papunta doon sa pupuntahan mo ngayon. Ayun lang, parang need mo alalahanin yung motivation mo for that.
Thank you. Then last na lang for everyone. How different was it to write for other artists then also taking on your own music?
Gano'n daw kahirap yung magsusulat kayo for another artist and also yung para sa inyong music na rin?
Actually, pag nagsusulat po kami, nire-research po talaga namin yung mga artists, what's their sound, and kung sino talaga sila bilang artist din. Kasi when we make songs, we make it personal. Pag gumagawa po kami, it's nakalaan talaga siya para sa specific artist. Makuha man siya as their song or not, binibigay po namin yung sinusulat namin. And also, ang saya lang din kasi, you know, we get to write songs for Rive, but we also get the opportunity to write for other artists.
Sino-sino na ba yan? Baka pwedeng i-run down ulit natin sa kanila. Ano-ano na yung mga kanta at sino yung artists?
Right now, may song po kami, OA by Clarice de Guzman, Infinity by Bini, and actually marami pa pong nakapila na songs for different artists. Abangan niyo po, kasi may mga lalabas na really, really.
Nice. Okay, thank you so much, Patrick.